Hello guys, this is the best Valorant settings for FPS this 2024. Please follow my steps and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, go to settings, general, video, resolution. Choose the maximum of your refresh rate like this, 144 Hz. This is for your better performance. Then apply. Limited FPS is off. Max FPS on battery 120. You can change it to 60. Limit FPS on. Max FPS in menus 144. Change it to 60. Limited FPS on background on. Max FPS 30. Limited FPS always off. NVIDIA Reflex low latency on, and max in FPS always 120. Go to graphics. Multi-threaded rendering on. Material quality low. Texture, detail, UI medium. VGNet and VSync always off. Anti-aliasing. MSAA 4X. Anisotropic filtering 8x. Improve clarity off. Experimental sharpening on, and bloom, distortion, and cast shadows is off. Go to audio. Please make sure you select the stereo for your better sounds, and check the simulate surrounded sound HRTF for improve your audio, and you will hear the footsteps of the enemy. Go to general. On the rewind buffer, put buffer, then close the Valorant. The next thing you will do to maximum your FPS is go to your Windows, graphic settings, find Valorant, options, choose your GPU like this, high performance, save. If you cannot find your Valorant in desktop icons, you will browse and choose where you install the Valorant. Then the next thing is go to NVIDIA control panel, manage 3D settings, then copy my settings like this. This will improve your FPS in Valorant. So that's it guys. I have ad tips. You can adjust your color here in digital vibrance. If you adjust this, your color vibrance will improve, and it's up to you if you want that, but for me is 50%. It's the best for default settings. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.